Alright, this is probably going to kill my back, but let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you are new here. And if you are new here and you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Join the community, okay? Just join it already. If you aren't already in it, join it. Today, I kind of got the random idea last night to do this video every month since the new year. So since January, you know, of course, when January hits, everyone's like, oh, like I want to make a mood board, a vision board for the year. I want to, you know, really go all in with the goals. Of course, that's how everyone is the start of the year, and then it slowly but surely falls off and they lose sight of those goals. They don't ever refer back to them. They don't even take another glance at their vision board. And you know, I never was one for the vision boards or the mood boards, but I kind of like, you know, rediscovered my love for Pinterest this year. And I made a little vision board at the start of January. I just gathered a bunch of really nice, aesthetically pleasing photos from Pinterest and made it into a little collage that I kept as my phone background and then also as my desktop background as well. So ever since then, I've honestly done it for every single month, and I usually make a new board for the month ahead at the end of every month. So I've made one for January, February, March, and then last night I actually just went through and made my April vision board. And it's just, you know, nice to have this on my phone and on my desktop so that I see it every single day. I have the inspiration there, and it really has been helpful to help me push further into my goals. And I've actually achieved a lot since doing this. Not to say that's obviously just from making these vision boards each month, but it does help to be a reminder as to like why you're doing what you're doing. You know, it just helps to be a little reminder that you see every single day. So let's hop in to how I do my little vision boards. Literally super simple. Okay, so let's get started on how I do my vision boards. So first I'm going to go to Pinterest, the Holy Grail, and I am going to go to my home feed. So I'll go through my home feed usually, and you know, right here right away I see this flowered picture. With spring coming up and summer, seeing like those flowers definitely inspires me, and to have that on my mood board would be great. So I add that to, you know, whatever board you want. If you want to create a new board every month for these little specific mood boards, that's fine. And then I'll scroll down, constantly looking for things that are like catching my eye, inspiring me, you know. So for some ideas, like outfit inspiration that you want to wear throughout the month, different colors you want to wear, poses, you know, because I do Instagram full-time and content creation full-time, I'm constantly trying to find new inspiration for different, you know, locations to shoot, different poses, outfits. It literally could just be whatever inspires you. And if that's, you know, seeing a bunch of quotes, that's great. For me, I really love this photo here. It's definitely like a super vibey spring outfit. Sometimes I'll search in here like aesthetic spring outfits or something like that to then bring up some specific things that I'm looking to include on my mood board. I know I pinned this specific picture right here yesterday when I was creating my one for April, but just go through and start pinning a bunch of different outfits or quotes or whatever it is, home inspiration that really make you inspired and just catch your eye. That's usually what I do. For instance, I really like this outfit here. I like the color combination, I like the pose and the location. So that's definitely a lot of inspiration for me personally. Once I've gone through and selected all of the different photos that I want to use for my vision board, I'll go through then on my desktop and I'll download all of those specific photos. So super easy to do. You just hit the three little dots on each of the photos and then hit download image. and it's super simple. And then to create the actual vision board, I'm going to go into Canva, and Canva is my holy grail. I use it so often for everything. Like I said in the beginning, I like to create the vision board and use it on my phone background and also on my desktop. I already have a template made, so if you are just doing this for the first time, you're going to go in and create a design, and then you can type in desktop wallpaper, and you can also go in and do phone wallpaper as well. And after I have both of my blank canvases ready to go, I'll just start uploading I'll drop all of the downloaded images from Pinterest into the uploads area over on Canva, and then start placing. Honestly, we'll just start playing around with it. I like things to be super aesthetic, so I will just start dragging different photos to different areas, and if things are too busy. Now, for this mood board that I created last night, it is very busy just because of all the different textures, the grass, the flowers, there's a lot of that going on. So it is very busy looking, but I usually like to make it very aesthetic, but this time there's just a lot going on. So you just mess around with, you know, the different sizing, layering all of the different photos together. You can also position them so you can move it all the way to the back. You can just really do a lot. It's obviously super customizable and it's very personal to you. So if you want to add like, you know, 20 plus pictures to your vision board and make them very small, you can. If you want to add just a few, totally up to you. It is truly your own canvas, and so you make it whatever you want. I'll show you guys my finished version of what my April vision board looks like for my desktop and my phone wallpaper, and you can see the difference in like where the pictures are placed. I really did just, you know, place them wherever. So here is what my April vision board for my phone ended up looking like. You can see a closer look. Just a lot of like spring girly fashion, a lot of inspo there, poses for the Instagram, lots of flowers. Like I said, I have one quote there. I usually always have this picture of money here, and I always keep the 100K there, and that is just as a reminder that that is, you know, what I'm going after. I'm going after these huge goals, constantly wanting to expand and grow my business. And then also I would love to reach 100K over on Instagram at some point. So I am just constantly pushing towards that every single day, and I just like to have that as a reminder. It's not that I want to achieve 100K in a month. That would be a little insane considering where I'm currently at right now, but that is just a constant reminder that that is a huge goal of mine, and I want to continuously pushing towards that goal every single day. So that has been a great reminder, and same with the money. I'm constantly pushing towards earning more and getting higher and higher up there in my business. So again, that's what my wallpaper looks like for my phone, and then this is what the wallpaper looks like for my desktop. So it looks a lot more spacious, like spaced out, because there are a few more photos in here, I think, than my phone. And also, obviously, you can make the photos a lot larger and fit a lot more in your canvas. But similar vibes, and it's just nice to look at every single day. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope that you enjoyed it and got maybe some inspo to start making your own vision boards every single month rather than just like for the year. Thank you again so much for watching. And again, if you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I will see you guys in my next video.